Yes, welcome back to our channel, Experience Our Motors Garage. Today, people have been wondering why some of the scooter engines don't last long. Even if they rebuild them, they smoke, and then they worn out the pistons and the piston rings in a short time. Yet when they are new, they tend to last a bit longer. So the problem is some of the scooter engines don't have the interchangeable oil filter, and once the oil filter is not interchangeable, then you're going to find out then they are equipped with a centrifugal oil filter, which is located inside the engine on the crankshaft. So today I have the Honda Forza MF06, some call it Honda Forza Reflex. I'm going to show you why these engines, even if you put on piston rings, even if you put on any type of piston rings, they don't last longer. So subscribe to the channel. Let us get started. This is the crankshaft, and since these engines from the Honda Fusion, the Majesty 4HC, the Majesty WP250, and Honda Forza Reflex, Honda Forza MF08, they have this crankshaft. It has a connecting rod and this counterweight. This side is where the oil enters. This one, the oil enters to the crankshaft. Then it goes direct to the connecting rod, and then from the connecting rod, it passes through these holes. These two holes here, as you can see them, this one and this one. Then it goes to the piston and to the cylinder block, as you can see it here. So when the time passes and the mileage of the bike goes high, the oil, remember the oil should be filtered, so as it should go to the cylinder block and the other parts of the bike. And when time passes, and sometimes people use the wrong oil, sometimes use bad quality oil, and then that oil all ends where it forms a sludge. When it forms a sludge, it is filtered using this centrifugal filter. As the bike spins, the oil enters here, and then it is poured through this under this plate, and then it is sieved to the centrifugal force. The micro debris which are not filtered on the pre-filter, the oil is fine filtered under this plate here. This is the oil filter that is not changeable. And when you are building the engine, you have to at least change it, and at least open the engine and then clean it. You see, this is all oil, which are oil and metallic debris from engine wear. As the engine ages, I'm going to show you. You see, this is oil. As I scrape off here, this is all metal and oil. You're seeing it. So if your bike doesn't change oil filter, are you seeing this? This is dead oil. As you can see it, as the time goes, it accumulates, and then when it accumulates, it blocks the oil passage to the cylinder block, and then the cylinder block starts to get less oil. And when the bike gets less oil, then the piston rings get worn out easily. As you can see, this is where oil passes to the connecting rod, but you can see it is even 3/4 blocked. As you can see, this is all dead oil and some metallic wear. As you can see it is hard even to scrape it all out. As you can see, This is all dead oil. You know, sometimes someone may ask a question, why when I rebuild my engine it doesn't last long? You can see, once the engine is getting insufficient lubrication, it causes the piston rings to get wear easily, as you can see it here. And when it wears, it will burn even the less oil that is coming through when the lubrication is not enough. This is all dead oil. And some people are wondering, why is it like this? So now we are rebuilding this engine and we are removing all this dirt here. Now you're seeing inside the connecting rod, it is almost blocked totally. So when it is blocked, you don't expect this engine to go miles, extra miles, as those which have interchangeable oil filters. So now we are going to fine clean this. We are going to fine clean this the crankshaft and then the oil passages. Then we build the engine, and then now we have seen this is the main reason why these engines fail time to time. So what you should take care of, what quality of oil do you use in your engine, and then when do you change the oil. If you don't change oil in time, this will happen. And if you're building the engine, you have to at least clean this filter so that you don't go into shit. So this has been for today. Subscribe to the channel and then make sure you follow up for more. Leave a like and a comment in case you have a certain topic you want us to conquer in the next video. Stay tuned. I sign out.